That was very flattering. It was my first Hollywood premiere, and Miss Usme to get best dressed was that was cool. And I think the theme was aviator chic, and I thought it was very cool to go to a Disney premiere not wearing a gown. Wohi taiyar hokar jao. So I thought it would be cool to go like a pilot, my version of like a really cool female pilot. So I was excited about that. That was really fun. हिंदी फिल्मों में हम अपनी फिल्में डब करते ही हैं, तो उसकी आदत थी मुझे. इनफैक्ट क्ले माय डायरेक्टर वाज वेरी वेरी सरप्राइज्ड एट द ईज विथ व्हिच आई कुड डू इट. तो फिर मेरे को उसको एक्सप्लेन करना पड़ा कि हम ये किसका फ़ोन है, somebody's phone over there near the speaker guys. तो मुझे क्ले को एक्सप्लेन करना पड़ा कि हम अपनी हिंदी फिल्मों में ऐसा करते हैं, हम लोग डबिंग करते हैं. इसीलिए इट्स नॉट दैट आई एम सम फिनोमिनल डबिंग आर्टिस्ट, मुझे बस आदत है. So then he got the idea of it. Ishani is me. जिस तरह मैं बात करती हूँ, the way I speak in English is the way I wanted to have Ishani speak. I feel very strongly about this, that Indians are very stereotyped in a lot of times in a Western point of view. जैसे ऐसे बात करते हैं, everybody has to speak like this, and I don't really see, it's a very stereotypical view of how Indian people speak. And that's not modern India according to me. And so when I was doing the film, and I wanted to speak the way I speak my English, and Clay was very okay with that, which was really great. That he didn't tell me ki acha aapko zara apna Indian accent, you have to talk like that. So that's why Ishani is a little bit more special, I think. That and she's very much like me. She's a confident girl. She races with all these big bad boys, and she's confident enough to still be a part of the boys and not be afraid, and she's a tough chick, and at the same time she's hot, so it's nice. This is Dusty, ladies and gentlemen, my co-actor.